on what we learned yesterday. Does anybody remember anything about the ruler? Like how many inches are on the ruler? Ethan, do you remember?
12.
How many?
12.
Yep, that's right. Come up to the board and write 12.
Where?
Right here. Good job. Thank you. Okay. Faith, do you know what the other measurement is on the ruler other than inches? What is it?
Centimeters.
Centimeters. Good job. Come and write it on the board.
Where's she gonna write down?
Come here, look, I'll show you where. Right here. Right here. Put C-M.
I don't know how to write C-M.
C-M. Thank you. Okay, Avery, how many lines are between each inch on the ruler?
2.
Okay, 2 is really close, but the answer is 8.
8. Yes,
8. Okay, come up here and write it on the board.
Help her. She doesn't know how.
She can write 8.
Right here. Right here. Yeah? Right there is perfect. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so everybody remembers how to use a ruler, right?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Ready? Review. Okay, how do we measure lines with a ruler? Do you know how to do that, Ethan? Do you remember what we went over yesterday? You do? Okay, here. Let's use our ruler, and I want you to measure this line.
Thank you.
So that's 12.
Is it upside down?
No. You got it. So 12 and 6. So what's 12 plus 6?
18.
18. Okay, right. 18 right there.
18.
Good job, Faith. That's right.
18.
Good job. Okay, so now that we remember everything about the ruler, we're going to go to today's lesson on the perimeter. There's a dog in the classroom. Oh no.
Yeah, because she's running around a blanket. Get out of there.
Okay, so the perimeter. Does anybody know what the perimeter is?
No!
No? Okay, well here's the definition. It's the continuous line forming the boundary of a closed geometric figure, or the length of such a line. So in y'all's words, it's the
12. 10.
no, nice try. It's the
19. 100.
no, it's whenever you add up all the sides on the object.
16.
We're gonna practice.
11.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to find the perimeter of these two objects, but I wrote the number, like how long each line is in inches.
That's 100. 100.
Close. It's not 100. Ethan, come up here and add it for us.
18.
What's 10 plus 10 plus 10?
Start writing right here.
Yeah, you can write 10 plus 10 plus 10.
That's hard.
No, that's fine. Right, one more 10. Okay, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals it equals 30. Right. So to find the perimeter of the object, you add all of the sides. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So the perimeter of the triangle is 30 inches. Okay? Faith, do you want to come do the next example? Come on. I'll help you. Okay, so you're going to write right here. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2.
How do I do it?
Oh, it's easy. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. What does that equal? 12. Okay, so what's the perimeter of the square?
12 inches.
12 inches, you're right. Thank you. Okay, so does everybody understand, or do you have any questions?
What's the perimeter? 10 plus 10 plus
So what are you doing to find the perimeter? You're adding all the sides, right?
18?
Everybody understands?
No.
Say
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So what if we don't see the length of the object? How do we find the length? Use a ruler.
Ruler.
You use a ruler to measure the sides, right? Okay, who wants to come and write that up here? I have the greatest kids. It's so fun. Okay, but we have to write a sentence. But you use the ruler to find the length of the line.
How do I do that?
Use the ruler to find the length of the line. Okay. Okay, so we're going to practice. Okay, so we're going to practice. Ethan, will you come up here and measure the square's length for me, the sides? Okay.
Can I do that? Another one?
Sure.
Yay.
Okay, so this one's 7,
No.
right? Okay, so the length of this side is 7. So you're going to mark a 7 right there.
Yeah, that's okay. One.
Okay, measure this length. Yeah, it is, because it's a square and all sides are the same. 7. Good job. Okay, so what's the measurement of the top? It's 10? Okay, write 10 inches up there. Okay, so what's the bottom if the top is 10? It should be the same, right? Okay. Okay, so how do we find the perimeter of this object now that we have the measurements? You add them all together? Is that what you said? Yes. Yes? Okay, so what's 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 7? Tamara, do you know this?